Let's give a round of applause. We'd also like to invite His Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, to kindly join us at the front to witness the signing ceremony as well. Let's give him a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, and this is the moment we've been waiting for, we shall now embark on the signing ceremony. And I'd now like to invite our two leaders to kindly also now join us to witness the ceremony. His Excellency, the President of Kenya, and Her Excellency, the President of the European Council. You're most welcome. Let's give them a round of applause. Let's give them another round of applause. This is a historic moment. And we shall now request save for His Excellency the President and the President of the European Council. We shall now request that all those that are standing at the podium, please resume your seats. Sorry? Okay. We would now like to proceed to the next stage of the ceremony, and I'd like to welcome His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya and Her Excellency the President of the European Commission to kindly take the podium. Thank you very much.